Hello and welcome back to IoTMATE. In this short video, we are going to demonstrate the home automation functionalities of IoTMATE v2b node modules. As you have already seen in our previous videos that we have inserted on IoTMATE v2b node module in one of the switchboards through which one fan and one light could be controlled. And I'm going to demonstrate you how to control these two devices if you are not at home and you are going to do it remotely. So first thing that you need to do is first open your browser and type the subdomain that comes with the IoTMate v2b device that you purchase. So this is the subdomain that has been configured for the device that is running on the switchboard that's going to control these two appliances. So I'm going to just hit the subdomain, and as you can see, the IoTMate v2b node module is actually now giving out serving the web pages, and here since we have already logged in, we did not get the login screen again. So we were welcomed with the information screen where we get to see the weather information that is showing that the current temperature is 25 degrees centigrade and humidity is 60%. And as you have already seen in the other video, that we can see the current system time, the networks, whether they're connected or not, and all that. So as you can see that everything is visible through the subdomain that is provided to the IoTMate v2b node device. So let us head straight to home automation because that's the demo that we are going to give you. So as you have seen already in the video, that IoTMate provides a very rich home automation experience where you can schedule turn on and turn off of each of your appliances at specific time or at specific temperature. Like say it's a cooling device like a fan and you want the device to be turned off when the temperature drops below a certain temperature, or turned on when the temperature goes above a certain temperature, or if it's a heating device, maybe turn it on when it falls below certain temperature and go turn it off when it goes above certain temperature. So all that is possible here. So this is you would control them by using the by ticking these check boxes that turn on at this temperature and turn off at this temperature. We are not going to demonstrate that right now because the controlling the temperature is difficult, so we may not be able to uh, you know show demonstrate you that functionality, or we are not going to show you the time based control as well. Right now we are going to just show you the switching on and switching off remotely using a browser. So here, as you can see, there are two tabs. So these tabs, as I already showed you, will contain the name of the switches that you have already configured. Because I haven't configured anything, so the default name of switch 1 and switch 2 is being showed in the tabs here, but we can quickly change something and see if that is getting reflected. So suppose switch 1 we name it as light, and switch 2 we name it as fan, and we save it. So it is going to save the configuration that you have done right now, and now we can go to the home automation. So it will take you to the system information, but we can directly head to the home automation again, and now you can see that no longer it is switch 1 and switch 2. Now it is actually showing as light and fan. So let us first turn on the light. So I just click on this checkbox and I say save. So you can see the light gets turned on by this. Now let me turn on the fan. So I just go to the fan tab, I click on the checkbox, fan is turned on. Now let me just switch off. I switch off the fan here, the light is still on. I switch off the light. Now as you can see, as and when you uh, turn on or turn off, the checkbox gets either ticked or cleared. The most important part, or I would say the most user-friendly part of this home automation is that we allow you to turn on or turn off your appliances using the manual switch as well. So at this point, suppose if I switch on the manual switch, I can't show you that, but the appliance will get turned on, and you would be able to see that the same status will be reflected here as well. So let me first turn on the light. So this is how the light got turned on using the manual switch. And if you go to home automation tab once more, you'll see that this checkbox is now ticked, meaning that somebody has turned on the light. Now if you go to fan, you will see that this checkbox is still clear. Now let me turn on the fan, and now I have turned on the fan using the manual switch. Now if you go to the home automation tab, you will see that the light is still ticked, fan is ticked, meaning that somebody has actually turned it on. Now let me switch up both these two. So now they are both turned off. So let us see if the same status is getting reflected. So here you can see the light in the light tab, the checkbox is clear, indicating that the device is off. And same with the fan. So the fan also checkbox is off. Checkbox is clear, indicating that the appliance is off. So and this information will persist across reboot. So even if there is a power failure and your IoTMate does not get any power for some time, but still when the power comes back, this information will be stored in the IoTMate and it will start from this state, meaning if you actually turned on some appliance after the power comes back, it will actually get turned on. If you have turned it off, it will be in switched off state. So this is the demonstration that I wanted to give you of the home automation features of IoTMate v2b generic node module. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.